In this video, I will show you how to use LearnZillion and illustrative math resources to structure the learning for students, mitigate learning loss, and fill in the gaps. You can find useful resources embedded directly into the county-provided scope and sequence documents. I will use Grade 7 Math as an example. First, you need to access the additional resources at the bottom of the scope and sequence document. Before teaching a new unit, it's beneficial to give students the Check Your Readiness assessment. This gives you the opportunity to identify students with particular below grade level needs or topics to carefully address during the unit. You can use the Check Your Readiness assessment planning table located in the additional materials to determine what lessons to add, modify, or remove based on which problem students struggled on within the pre-assessment. Aside from the readiness assessment, you can also use the adaptation packs available for each unit. This resource provides a bulleted list of essential prior topics to engage with for the unit. It also includes a brief outline of lessons to add, remove, or modify. In addition to the adaptation pack, there's the section planning guides for each unit. This resource breaks down the lessons into 3 categories. The first category focuses on the lessons that include exploration, playtime, and discussion. The second category focuses on lessons that are considered a deep dive into the learning. The last category includes opportunities to synthesize and apply the learning. You will also find opportunities for ongoing practice and other resources related to the lessons. Ultimately, you will need to assess prior knowledge to make the best instructional decisions for your students based on their individual needs. I hope you found this video helpful, but please leave a comment or email the secondary math team for more guidance and information on the documents shared.